Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a branch, how to rename a branch, how to push your branch on GitHub, and how to delete that branch. So let's get started. So we can first see how many branches we have. So to check that, we can run command git branch. We have only main branch as of now. We can create new branch using git checkout -b and the branch name. Let's name it feature 1. So we can see the new branch feature 1 created from main branch, and we have checkout to that branch. Now we can rename that branch using git branch -m and new name feature new. So the feature new will be the new name for this branch. We can see branch has been renamed. We can now push it on GitHub using git push -u origin and the branch name. So branch has been pushed. Let's verify on GitHub. Currently we have only main branch, and now I am refreshing this window. So refresh completes and we see feature new is the new branch on GitHub. Now we can delete this branch. To delete a branch, we need to run command git push -delete origin and the branch name, which is feature -new in our case. Okay, so command has run successfully. Let's verify on GitHub. We have this branch and now I'm refreshing the window. We saw this page because feature new branch no longer exists. So instead, if we use main or go to home page, we will see the only main branch exists on GitHub. So this way we delete the branch from GitHub. Now let's verify if it exists on local. So we see branch has been deleted from GitHub, but still it exists on your local system. So in order to delete from local system, first we have to switch to any other branch. So let's check out to main branch. So we are now on main branch, and then we can run command git branch -d and the branch name. So branch has been deleted locally as well. We can verify using git branch command. It only display main branch. So that's about this tutorial. If you found information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in next tutorial.